Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well today. And starting from today, I'm going to upload 10 to 12 short videos, reels, which will be helpful for people who have a startup idea or have a new project idea to pitch or maybe launched into the market, but are unsure how to evaluate the impact is it going to create in the market, or maybe is it going to be successful or not. You are in a dilemma how to evaluate it before launching it legally, professionally. All right, so let's start with fundamentals today. The first three videos are going to be very fundamentals, because I believe that often the major lessons and major answers lies in the fundamental conceptual knowledge, but we seldom take it seriously. So today let's understand about what is vision, mission, objectives, goals, and core values. I'm sure we all have heard about it, but if you are an employee working for a corporate, MNC, or even a startup, are you really aware of the vision, mission, objectives, goals, and core values of your company that you're working for in detail and depth? I'm sure no, most of you will not. You will have to scroll down your website to understand, and that is the gap. That is the fundamental gap that we all have as an employee, as a company, as a startup idea, that we are not clear about the fundamentals that we are offering to the world. Right? So let's see how to define vision, mission, objectives, goals, and core values for your startup idea. Now let's say vision is just a dream. It's what you want to achieve, what you want to become. It is what. It is not the present. It is not reality. So let's say a 10-year-old kid says, when I grow up, I want to become a doctor. So that what he wants or she wants to become is the vision, which is not reality right now, but just a dream, is the vision. Now, why that kid wants to become a doctor, the purpose behind it is the mission. Maybe he, she, or they wants to become a doctor because they have seen a lot of family members who are doctors, who have saved lives, who have been a strong support system in the transformative journey of their patients in their living a healthy life. So he, she, or they also want to become, that kid wants to become that. Now, how will that kid become a doctor, and how will that kid fulfill the purpose that he, she, or they have defined for themselves? So objectives and goals are the how of the what and why of the vision and mission. So objectives is to become a doctor. That kid needs to pass 10th, 12th grade exams with good scores, also needs to give entrance exam and get an admission in good college. Those are the objectives. Now goals are the micro level milestones to achieve that what and why, and also the objectives, the vision, mission, and objectives. So the goals are basically the milestones that in 10th grade I need to get 90% of scores, in 12th grade again 90% of scores, in entrance exam certain amount of marks to get into cutoff to get into this college that I have aspired for. And the core values is how to achieve all of those things and maintain a good, dignified value system, principles for the purpose that I want to lead a life with. So maybe I'll be very honest and become a doctor in a very dignified way. I'll never cheat in exams. I will be very ethical during my residency. I will always be punctual and disciplined. All of these are core values. So define these for your startup idea, project idea, and I'm sure it will help you.